In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the billing address from your Shopify checkout process. This process should be fairly simple and straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable and confident in making these adjustments. First, we need to navigate to our Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. Click on it to get started. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a menu on the left panel of your Shopify dashboard. From this menu, you'll want to select Shipping and Delivery. This section hosts several options related to how products are shipped and handled in your store, but today we'll be focusing on one specific part of it. Once you're in the Shipping and Delivery section, scroll down until you see the Packing Slip Templates option. Click on it to proceed further. This area is particularly useful as it allows you to customize the templates that are used for your packing slips, essentially affecting how information appears to your customers upon completing their purchases. Now that you're in the Packing Slip Templates editor, our next task is to search for a specific line of code. In order to find it, look for a line that reads shop_address.summary. This might seem a little technical, but don't worry. All you need to do is locate this specific piece of code within the template editor. Once you've found the line, the simplest and most effective way to alter how your billing address appears is to go ahead and delete this line of code completely. By doing this, you effectively remove any instances where your shop's billing address might be displayed in the checkout process. After you've deleted the code, it's important to preview the changes to ensure everything is as expected. You can do this by clicking on the Preview button for your template. Once it opens, you'll notice that the billing address should now be absent from the template, aligning with the adjustments you've just made. It's always a good idea to double-check your work in this way, giving you peace of mind that the changes are successfully in place. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've customized your Shopify checkout to exclude the billing address from appearing where it previously did. This change can streamline the checkout process for your customers and potentially simplify their purchasing experience. Thanks for following along, and happy selling.